Hi guys, so I just wanted to take a minute and talk to you about all of the lash products and how you can grow your lashes and how you can achieve long full lashes and it's natural. All right, so first we're gonna start with the Esteem Lash Serum. The Esteem Lash Serum you're gonna use morning and night until you get the lashes that you love. It may take up to 2 weeks because your lashes grow in a 2-week cycle. So all you're gonna do is apply the back. Hold up, if I can see. You're gonna apply to the back of your lashes at the tippy top and then at the front, and that's it, okay? If you want, you could even put it in your brows. It's gonna help to grow your lashes. It is going to, and your brow hairs, it is going to nourish your lashes, okay? So there's wonderful ingredients in this that you use it morning and night until you get the results that you want. Then you could use it just morning or just night and then stop if you want. And if all of a sudden you're like, my lashes don't seem so long anymore, restart it. It's that easy. It lasts for a really long time. Okay, so the other product that we have is a lash primer. So if you're not priming your lashes, you should go ahead and get started. I never did a lash primer until we just came out with a lash primer, and I get it. I see the difference. This primer has ingredients in it that actually nourish your lashes that will help it to grow as well, but it also is going to prime your lashes so you can go ahead and put on your mascara, whatever mascara that is. But I have some good products to show you, so hold up. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you just prime your lashes, coat it really good, all right? I'm just really applying it just like a regular mascara. You could do the front and back if you would like. You could do just the front, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so I don't know why I said that. Anyway, so that's all it is, the lash primer. I do suggest investing in the lash primer. I think it's $24. It's worth it. Okay, so now we have a few different options. So we have an Epic mascara that comes in black and brown, which is this one. It's a mascara that is going to elongate your lashes, give you long separated lashes with a curl, okay? It comes in black and brown. It is wonderful. It is a quick on the go look, all right, for the lashes. It's a great product, okay? I'm gonna show you my favorite. We also have a waterproof black mascara, Epic Black Mascara, okay? That's wonderful too, and I'll show you how I use this. I also have the 4D fiber infused mascara. So it's just a one-step mascara. The fibers are in this wand. This wand is what is going to blow your mind. I'm not kidding. Okay, blow your lashes away. So if you can see, I've already applied the 4D on this side. You guys can see the results, all right? That is not insane. I don't know. Like, I don't think any other mascara can do this. Tell me if there is. Okay, so I used the lash primer and the 4D mascara on this side. You guys see the difference, right? Is that not crazy? So the 4D mascara, the wand, if you turn it different ways, you're gonna get different results. One way you're gonna use it, you're gonna get long, separated lashes with a curl. Another way, if you turn the wand and apply, you're gonna get fuller lashes. So it really just depends what you want. You could do both, okay? And it's buildable. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply the 4D mascara. And I'm just blinking on. You kind of just get it in place and blink it on, and you're gonna watch your lashes grow right before your eyes. Is that not, I mean, the results are crazy. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. So you could actually turn the wand too if you wanted a different result. I am so sorry if you hear my crazy dog in the background. She's downstairs and probably sees somebody out the window. I mean, she's got to get it under control. Either that or she's barking at my lashes. No, she's not. Okay, so I won't make any Corey jokes. All right, so there you go. How crazy is that? Now, this is water resistant. It is not waterproof, but I'm going to show you a trick. You can then take the waterproof mascara and put it on top of this And voila, you've just gotten yourself a waterproof 4D mascara. And look at your lashes. Have you ever had lashes this long? All right, gotta try it. So obviously you can save money if you bundle 2 or 3. I got a ton of bundles to save you money. So just comment below if you're interested, or you can feel free to message me. All right, bye guys.